Drowning in orders and tangled tape, let's transform your Shopify store from a fulfillment nightmare into a streamlined, customer editing machine. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of running a successful online store. Fulfilling orders on Shopify. We'll cover everything from prepping your products to getting them shipped, ensuring happy customers and a smooth operation. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, click on Orders in the left-hand menu. This will take you to a list of all your store's orders. Find the order you want to fulfill. It will likely have a status of unfulfilled. Click on the order number to view its details. Now, carefully review the order details. Check the customer's shipping address and make sure you have all the items in the order ready to go. Next, click the Fulfill Items button. This will open the fulfillment window. In the fulfillment window, you'll need to select a fulfillment location, especially if you have multiple locations. Then, carefully pack the order, ensuring items are secure and well protected. Enter the tracking number from your shipping carrier into the designated field. This allows your customer to track their package. Make sure the Send Notification to Customer box is checked so they know their order is on its way. Finally, double-check everything one last time, and then click the Fulfill Items button to mark the order as fulfilled. Congratulations, you've successfully fulfilled an order. Repeat this process for all your unfulfilled orders, and remember, timely and accurate fulfillment is key to customer satisfaction and repeat business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching.